In this video, I'll explain how to see who viewed your Instagram video. So let's get started right away. There's always that one person who wants more than just the number of views. They want to know who is watching their videos, but there is currently no option to see that on Instagram. You can simply see how many people viewed and liked the video. So if you want to do that, simply open up the Instagram app, go down to the video you posted, and you will see a number of views. Simply tap on that to get started. After that, you'll be sent to a screen that indicates views and likes. It will indicate the number of views and likes at the top, meaning that this video has received 6 views and 3 likes thus far. And then it will display all of the people who like the video. Sadly, you simply can't see who viewed your video. You can just see the number of views, but not the exact viewer who is watching your videos. It's just the way Instagram works. Instagram doesn't share that information with us, so you just can't identify who watched your video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.